right, good morning everyone. Welcome to Mainely Outdoors. Now today we are exploring a brand new location. I am here with Zach and I am so excited to check this place out. It is probably one of the more beautiful places around me that you can fish. And I'm pretty darn excited to see what we can get on. So sometimes searching for new spots goes really well and other times it can be a total failure, but hey, that's just part of it. You gotta go look in order to find out, and that's what we're about to do right now. So let's see how we fare. Zach's already got the holes drilled again. Thanks to him for doing all that while I go around and show you this beautiful landscape. And I guess we're gonna give him the first drop and see if we can't catch one on the very first drop in here. There's a line. It might be a rock though. Those bubbles keep getting me excited.
Yeah.
I'll adjust the gain once you get down there. Well, no luck on the first drop, unfortunately. It's gonna take a lot more effort to find the fish today. But that's all right. I'm gonna put this main camera down now and probably start popping a lot of holes, checking depths, and see if we can't find some of these lake trout. And if all else fails, maybe we'll set up in close and go for some salmon and brook trout. I think there's a good salmon population here too, right?
Yeah, they stocked some.
Yeah, but of course, as you know, I love my lake trout, so that's the first goal, and we've got all day to do it, so I'm gonna get right to that. Bummer, can never be that easy, right?
Right.
We'll find them. Let's go find the fish.
Yep.
For starters, I'm going to start off with that same chartreuse jig that you've seen me use in a lot of other videos, mostly because I have a ton of faith in it, and right now I'm searching around to try to find these fish. So it's always best to use something you have a ton of faith in, because you don't want to spend a lot of time switching baits. You want to spend a lot of time going between holes and trying to look for those active fish, rather than knowing where the fish are and trying to fine-tune what those fish want. That's at least how I do things. I'm sure there's 100 ways you could do it, but that's what I like to do.
Marking anything?
Yeah, I got my first sign of life right here. It's not very aggressive, but it's something.
How deep?
72.
Oh my.
This is a deep lake, so I would expect them to be cruising a bit deeper, but I thought I'd see them more around 50. Okay, that's about all I have the patience for lake trout. We've been going for about 3 hours now and we've barely seen any fish. So I think I'm gonna call it for this spot. I don't wanna travel across the whole lake, but I do know where there's good drop off. So we're gonna move in shallow along that drop off and see if we can't just switch it up and go get some salmon here. Oh!
Are you kidding? How many feet are you in?
I have no idea. Oh, 30 feet of water. He came flying off the bottom.
No way.
It's a salmon.
No!
Oh, I lost him.
Come on!
That's okay.
Hey, I'll take it.
Yeah, as long as I know there's some fish.
God.
Dude, that thing came off 30 feet and flew all the way to like 10. Hey, let's just drill 2 holes and just set up here for a while instead of moving around. We already know there's at least one fish, so hopefully they're just continuing to cruise this drop off, and maybe we'll at least get a few more chances at some fish. You want to do that? Sweet. Oh, whoa. Oh, he's coming to me.
Are you kidding me?
Can you get the flasher?
Yep. Are you kidding me? What the hell?
It's that chartreuse, man.
Yep, I'm switching to chartreuse.
Something's wrong with my reel.
Oh, that's a big salmon.
Oh, this reel is messed up, dude. It's just free spooling. Can you keep salmon here?
I think so.
I'm gonna eat a salmon.
Good. Dude, that might be as big as the one I got at Eagle.
He's decent. He was just a short line. He came straight up to mine. Oh!
Yeah.
Dude, that's a nice one.
That is a good salmon. Oh, dude.
So today's been a pretty rough day, but we've just been kind of jumping holes from here to there and hoping that we caught something. And we couldn't get the lake trout to bite, but we did get this pretty nice landlocked salmon. Actually, that's a beautiful fish. So I guess sometimes you just gotta go with what's working. All right, let's one quick look. And I guess we'll just let him on his way.
Nice. Nice, dude. That was insane.
He literally came off the bottom. It's like, oh, he's coming for you. He goes right by yours.
Oh, he's coming for mine. You gotta be kidding.
So you gonna use chartreuse now?
Yep. It's not fair.
I wouldn't say we're having the most success, but we've definitely decided that the lake trout either aren't biting or we don't know exactly where to target them. But with that, I think I'm gonna consider it today a success. I have found a new decent spot for salmon, I'd say. Both of those fish were really good size. I'm stoked. So I've been meaning to do a catch and cook for landlocked salmon on this channel. Unfortunately, I don't know what's legal in this lake. But we will do a landlocked salmon catch and cook, maybe on this very lake. I'll come back after we get back to service and I can check what I can keep and what I can't. Because a lot of times with landlocked salmon, you have like a slot range, which is the problem. That was a big
Especially
one,
on the coast.
And it could push over the slot limit. So I think slots normally like 14 to 23.
I think 25.
25. Oh, well, that fish was probably about 23 to 25.
Yeah.
But still on the edge, not worth doing. So I promise I'll do it. Everyone's been asking for this on this channel, but not today. I'll come back some other time. And anyway, let's see what else we can catch here. And hopefully Zach will get one too.
I hope so.
Have all that much success, but we did end up hooking up to a couple landlocked salmon, and hey, I can make do with that. It was a decent day, especially for a scouting mission, but I'm gonna have to come back some other time and try this again because I really would like to figure out where the fish are on this lake, because it's a really nice place to fish. Just having this scenery around is makes not catching that many fish a lot better. If you want to see me come back here and try this again and maybe do a landlocked salmon catch and cook, then make sure you hit that like button. And if you guys want to see some more ice fishing videos like this, go down below and hit subscribe. So we're gonna pack it up. I think we both had just about enough of this. It is freezing today with like a 10-20 mile an hour wind. So hopefully the audio was good. And I will catch you guys in the next adventure. See ya.